And we are back here with another edition of our Holiday Prep On Demand webinar series. Once again, this is Sean Taggart and Ian Owano. We're going to be talking today to you about shipping. One of the things here within Multichannel Order Manager is the new M.O.M shipping powered by Shippo. We're going to talk to you and show you a little bit about Shippo and how you can actually save some time and print your labels directly out of M.O.M now. Here also, we'll be talking to you about how to get your refunds back from any late FedEx or UPS packages with our partner, 71 Pounds. Let's get started.
And here we are again with M.O.M shipping. So we're going to be looking into the M.O.M shipping service powered by Shippo. And first we're going to look into the setup of that particular service. So under Maintain Shipping Information, Shipping Service, we're going to see the Shippo configuration screen. Within that screen, you actually can sign up through the screen if you'd like. We also have a light registration where you can sign up. Once you signed up, that will give you a particular token that you can use here. So this will ensure that we're talking to the right account, your account. And then you can fill in the rest with the shipping contact, shipping email, and the label folder. Down here we have the default box dimensions, and this is a requirement since all the carriers now require dimension weight. We want to make sure that we default something. So in cases where you don't set up the dimensions within your product or within the boxes that you ship out, this will be the default dimension that would be used to transact with the M.O.M shipping service. So you want to make sure that this default dimension is the most commonly used dimension that you have in your warehouse. So on to mapping. So what we have available here is we have what we call best way. This is the most cost-effective method that we have. So what we'll do is with the M.O.M shipping service, we'll actually rate shop and get you the most inexpensive way to ship a particular parcel. The fastest way will do the same thing, except it's going to be based on the delivery date. We also have what we call one-to-one mapping. So if you are sure that you want to ship ground or priority mail or FedEx ground, you can actually highlight a method and choose a particular method you want to map it to. Same thing with priority mail and FedEx. Also, the different carriers that you see here as an option is based on what you have set up on your Shippo account. So if you set up UPS, FedEx, and USPS, you will see those options within here to choose from. Another thing we offer is what we call guaranteed buy. We have guaranteed 1, 2, and 3. Now these particular options are very useful if you're shipping within your region. Typically when you're shipping ground, if you're close enough, you can ship it in 1 day. So this does exactly that, where shipping 1 day or 2 day doesn't necessarily be overnight or 2-day air. You can actually use ground, and this is where it comes in handy, because what the M.O.M shipping service does is actually looks at all the different methods that can deliver within that 2 days. Now, again, doesn't necessarily have to be second day. It could also be ground. So again, it's going to save you costs in the long run. So this is a really nice feature to have rate shop for you. So with that said, we're going to go into the next part, which is I'm going to show you the process of shipping in M.O.M. So typically in M.O.M, the labels will come out based on how you set up the global parameters. If you're combining invoices with packing slips, or you're using our L form, so the labels will come out on the packing slip, or it can come up on the 4x6 Eltron printer. So it really depends on how you set that up. But basically, it can come out on the packing slip stage or the box label COD. So once we process here, it's going to go through the different stages and get to the box label COD. But I'm actually going to go to an actual order and show you some of the different methods that we just mapped, best way and fastest way, and then I'll show you how that label comes out within the order. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel here and go to an order I had just created. So you can see I've chosen best way here. I can go ahead and rate shop, and you can see how that actually works. By default, what our system does, the M.O.M shipping service will actually choose the top one, which is the cheapest one. But again, as a CSR, you will be able to override that choice. So in this case, the cheapest one will be delivered in 5 days, but it's something that's a little bit more expensive, but it can get there in 1 day. So it really depends on the preference on how you want to do it. But by default, it's going to choose the most cost-effective, but you can override that. So same thing with what we do with the fastest way. So go ahead and put in the fastest way here for us. and it will pick the fastest way. So pick priority mail because it's the fastest and most cost effective. So you look at that, it tells you that it's going to get us in 1 day and it costs us $5. So again, it's a nice way to deliver in the most efficient time and also most cost effective. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the one-to-one mapping, in this case UPS. I'm going to process this order to kind of show off the label, how it's going to come up. In my setup, it's printed to the Eltron, so I'm going to go ahead and print my pick ticket. And then since I'm not combining my invoice and packing slip, this is a packing slip without label, I'm going to go ahead and print that to a document writer. So here it's going to come up with my label. So you can see here, this is the M.O.M shipping service, and when you view that, this is actually my UPS label that got called. So you can see it's being shipped to my particular address and then my live tracking number. So go ahead and print that out. And this is my invoice. I'm going to go ahead and print my invoice. And once that's done, you can see if we go to packaging, now my order has a tracking number. And a nice feature we added here is previously we would actually take you to the website for UPS, but when you track package here now, it actually gives you a pop-up where it tells you step by step where the order is, where the order is at. So nice feature we added here. So moving forward, so now you can track package detail right within the M.O.M system.
All right, thanks, Ian. So one thing that we wanted to also talk to you about is a great service that we have with our partner, 71 Pounds. So with the M.O.M shipping powered by Shippo service that we have here directly inside of Multichannel Order Manager M.O.M, we also do have the ability to get you some refunds for late shipments by FedEx or UPS. You may not know this. If that delivery date goes past and they haven't shipped that package to your customer yet, you're entitled to some sort of refund for them delivering it late. That's where 71 Pounds comes in, and they help out making sure that you get that refund service. It's a totally free sign up. All you really have to do is follow the link, which is 71pounds.com/freestyle, and they'll give you the ability to track and gain your refunds back. So that was the shipping side of things, making sure your shipping is all ready for the holiday season. With M.O.M shipping powered by Shippo, you get the ability to use USPS's Commercial Plus rates, which are given to you directly with Shippo itself. Also, to be sure that you guys are aware of it, you have the ability to do best way and fastest way. With the best way, it gives you the most cost-efficient way to ship out a product to your customers. And then also we have the guaranteed delivery day by, which also helps giving you the best cost-effective way to ship the product in the allotted time that you want to ship it to them, either 2, 3, or a day. Not only that, but we also talked a little bit about 71 Pounds. 71 Pounds is a great partner of ours that helps with you for another cost savings feature with giving you money back for any shipping refunds from UPS and FedEx. Once again, you can read about this and many more topics, including guest posts from 71 Pounds and Shippo at freestylesolutions.com. I'm Sean Taggart. He was Ian Owano. Thanks for joining us.